Hello everyone, my name is Badrinath. In this video, we are going to see how to handle HTTP requests and responses using Express framework. To achieve that, we are going to use a basic registration form like this. And we are going to store the information given in the registration form in the Google Firebase data store. The registration form is created by using basic HTML and CSS, and to store the data, the JS code goes like this. We have imported the Express framework and stored its information in the app variable, and then we have also imported the Firebase admin package also, which is used to get access to the Firebase data store provided by the Google. And we have also imported the Firebase admin firestore to get the access to the firestore of the Google database. And then we have also given the key.json file, which is a private key generated by the Google database. And then we have used this line of code is used to get access to the static files present in the public folder. That means all the HTML and CSS files are stored in the public directory, and these static files can be accessed through this line. And then all this code we have already seen in the previous video. We got access to the file, we got data from the firestore and stored it in the DB. And then we can see that there are different blocks of codes. These are nothing but get methods of the Express framework, which is used to serve HTTP requests based on the different routes. For this sign up route, whenever this request is made, the server provides the information about the index.html, which is located in the public directory, and the path of this directory is given by this unique method in the JavaScript. The underscore dir name returns the path of the file present in the current file, path of the current file. And whenever this request is served, then the sign up location route is accessed, which is the action to the form tag in our HTML code. So whenever user presses the register button or sign up button, whenever the user presses the sign up button, this route is called and the request is served by the server. And the body of the code, we can see it stores the data provided by the user into the Firebase database using db.collections.add method, and it stores the information in the form of JavaScript object notation. And if all the data is stored, we can print a response code like signed up, please login, and like that. And this is for the sign up thing. Now there is another get method for the login section. Whenever the user presses login, then the login.html file is accessed from the public directory, and that path can be given by this method dir name method. So whenever the user presses login button, then the login location route is called, which is present at the action of the login.html file. So whenever this method is called, the body of the method represents that it retrieves the information from the database. It checks whether the email email and the password is already presented in the database or not. And if they are already present, then docs.size returns 1. If they are not present, the docs.size returns 0. So we can use a basic if-else condition to see if they are present or not. If size is equals to 0, then login is successful. But if it is greater than 0, then the login is successful. But if it is 0, then the login is not successful. So we get an code. We get a prompt message that is failed. And finally, to execute the program, so we write app.listen method, that the server is listening to the local 3000. So to execute this program, we go to the prompt, command prompt, and write node server.js. We get a prompt like server started, and to access the thing we need to enter local host 3000. We get the registration form. If you fill any details, and after filling the details, if we click sign up, then we get signed up, please login prompt. And if we can also check this from the Google Firestore database. We can see that in under collections, users collection, the data is stored, and whenever the user clicks on login, it directs to user clicks on login, it directs to another login website. And if we enter any details that are already present in the database, like the data we have entered just before, it says login is successful, welcome to our site. So data is retrieved, data is already present in the database. But if we enter any invalid data which is not present in the database, it says that doesn't work, try again. Thank you.